Okay, I'm going to talk about the white blazes for a second. These are the markings on the trees that help you know you're on the trail. You don't want to follow the one with the red dot, remember. But anyway, I finally learned that when there is two and one is above the other, then it's turning that direction. But in this case, it's very confusing because I'm coming down and I see that I should turn this direction, and sure enough, there's a trail. But this is a definite clue that tells you they don't want you to go that way. People put a bunch of sticks over the trail, which says no, no. So then I'm like, well, what the hell? And then I look down, and you can see one way down there. So it's like, oh, I'm turning right. But why is this one telling me to turn left? Well, it's because this one is here for the southbounders, the ones that are coming up from this direction. You know, they're coming this way. And then they see that and they know they need to go that way. So that's just part of how it gets a little tricky sometimes. These places can be really odd because sometimes you'll see these things every other tree, I swear. It's like somebody just likes to paint the trees and it's super obvious. You don't need so many. And then you'll be in areas where it's really hard to know where the trail is. And you're like, can you give me a clue, people? And there's just nothing for a long time, or they won't give you the blaze until you make a decision, one or the other, and then you'll see it. It's like they're just messing with you. Anyway, I have about 4.5 miles or something like that to where I'm going to stay tonight. So fingers crossed, and they're going to have food there. So I'm really excited. And then I'm going to pick up my drop-off because my drop-off, my food drop where I sent it, I think it's going to be closed by the time I get there. But I will get it in the morning, and all is well. And look at all this muddy mush. That's why there's mosquitoes all over the place.